Welcome to our guide on silver trading. In this video, we will provide you with valuable tips and strategies that cater to both beginners and advanced traders. Whether you're looking to dive into the silver market for the first time or enhance your existing trading skills, we have you covered. So let's get started. If you are new to the channel, subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Also see the description box if you also want to download free Forex courses, books, and trading tools. Many people ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box. Understanding the silver market. Voiceover. Before we delve into the tips and strategies, let's take a moment to understand the silver market. Silver is one of the 4 precious metals that can be traded in the financial market, alongside gold, palladium, and platinum. It is often referred to as the poor man's gold due to its affordability and similar properties to gold. Both metals are mined from deep areas of the Earth's crust and are used in various industries, including jewelry production. Silver trading tips for beginners. If you're new to silver trading, these tips will help you build a strong foundation for successful trading. Choose the right trading hours. To benefit from reduced costs on the spread, it's recommended to trade silver during major trading timeframes. Typically, these timeframes are between 1 p.m. and 11:55 p.m. from Monday to Thursday. On Fridays, silver trading should be performed with caution. Educate yourself. Before jumping into trading, take the time to learn about fundamental and technical analysis, market trends, and various trading strategies. This knowledge will empower you to make informed trading decisions. Start with a demo account. Practice makes perfect. Utilize a demo trading account to familiarize yourself with the trading platform. Test your strategies and gain confidence before risking real capital. Set realistic goals. Define your trading goals and set realistic expectations. Rome wasn't built in a day, and consistent profitability takes time. Patience and discipline are key virtues in the world of trading. Utilize stop-loss orders. Implementing risk management techniques is crucial. Consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and protect your capital in case the market moves against your position. Advanced trading strategies for silver. For those traders with a solid foundation, let's explore some advanced strategies to take your silver trading to the next level. Leverage and short selling. If you believe that the silver market is overheating, you can consider selling short. Additionally, leverage can amplify your trading potential, with standard borrowing caps typically set around 110. This means that for every $1 deposited with your broker, you can trade a silver CFD with a value of $10. Technical analysis tools. Dive deeper into technical analysis by utilizing various indicators, chart patterns, and oscillators. These tools can provide valuable insights into market trends, support and resistance levels, and potential entry and exit points. Stay updated with market analysis. Regularly follow silver market forecasts and analysis provided by reputable sources. This will help you stay informed about the latest market trends, important support and resistance levels, and potential trading opportunities. Diversify your portfolio. Consider diversifying your trading portfolio by including other commodities, currencies, or assets. This can help spread your risk and potentially enhance your overall trading performance. Learn from successful traders. Study the strategies and techniques used by successful silver traders. Books, online forums, and mentorship programs can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Congratulations! You have now learned essential tips and strategies for trading silver. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader, remember, trading is a journey that requires continuous learning, adaptation, and discipline. By implementing these tips and staying informed about market trends, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of silver trading. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Happy trading!